Hey friends, welcome to the third chapter. We have done this much thing, but first let's do some tweaking. Okay, so select the object and go to vertices over here. Just select them and move them a little bit. Make them a curve because it's not that much flat. So we need to adjust them a little bit like this. Yeah, like we need to insert some edges over here. Okay, so we can make them hard. Okay, you can see in the reference. Yeah, something like this. If you want, you can leave it as it is. So let's move ahead. Now I'm gonna model this portion. Okay, for that I'll use a plane. Okay, but first let's do a little tweaking over here. Yeah, something like this. Adjust it a little. Now we can select a plane and draw it from front viewport. Something like this. Place it from side viewport. Okay, something like this. Right click, convert it to point, select the vertex and adjust it. Select the edge and extrude, extrude, and extrude one more time. You can see that we are trying to make a shape, and now I'm adjusting vertices. Okay, select them, place it to the center of the grid line, select the edge and extrude again. Now we can adjust them a bit and double click to select the loop, ring, extrude it. Okay, and adjust it from side viewport, then you can see it in perspective and adjust it. Like the vertex, try to adjust them a bit, something like this. Now again select the edge and extrude it. Adjust it from side viewport. Adjust it a little, try to match the shape because we have already modeled this out of pi. Adjust the vertex, adjust it. Try to make a round shape because our headlight is in round shape basically. So I'm just tweaking the vertices and trying to adjust the shape properly according to our reference index. Again, extrude it and adjust it by selecting vertices. Let them move. Okay, we need to adjust it from side viewport also. Okay, but we can use our perspective tool if you are comfortable. So select the vertex, move it a little inwards. Okay, from side viewport, adjust it. Try to maintain the flow of the edges. Okay, adjust it, and now we have a part over here. We can fill it later. Okay, so I'm gonna select. Uh, I'll fill that with edge. First, adjust the shape. Okay, try to match with the outer shape which we have modeled in last chapter. do the minor tweaking. Adjust the vertices. I'm just trying to match with the outer shape. Okay. Place them properly and hide them inside the outer shape. Adjust it. Adjust the thing. You can see that we have over here. I have isolated this thing and select the edge loop, shift and drag to extrude the shape. Okay, select the vertex, right click and collapse. Okay, end the isolation. And this is what we have now. We can select the object, go to modify list, and you can use a turbo smooth. And you can see this. We have a smooth shape. Okay, go to edges, select the edge, ring, and connect. Insert a segment over here and place it closer to the edge, so it will become sharper. Tweak it a little bit, adjust this thing a bit, and okay, something like this. And you can see that we have a sharp edge in the bottom part. Tweak this part a little because it's looking weird. We can adjust it, something like this. Trying to maintain the flow. Yeah, this is what we have. Okay, now we need to do a mirror for this. So I'm going to select hierarchy, affect pivot only, and place the pivot object to the center of the grid line. Okay, so we will be able to mirror it easily. Go to modifier list on selecting edge driver poly, use SY and add a symmetry modifier. This is what we have after mirroring. Here we have a sharp edge. Okay, but we can increase the turbo smooth to make it more smooth. Okay, so select this portion and we can add a segment over here to make it more sharp. Select and adjust the edge. Okay, now it will look more sharper. But first adjust this vertex and also insert a segment over here. Okay, something like this. Yeah, it's now more sharp. Now we need to adjust this section a little. It's not looking good. So select the object, tweak it a little. Okay, adjust it. Now I think we can insert an edge over here. So select edge, ring and connect. Now we can tweak it easily. Adjust it. Adjust this thing too. We can adjust it from front viewport also. So we can tweak it from front viewport. Adjust this thing. Tweak it. We are only matching the shape with the outer object. Okay. We can move this thing too. We can adjust it a little also. So select this thing, adjust it first, adjust this thing. Select the object, the outer shape part, go to vertex and select select these two also, and this one also, and we can move it. Okay, and we can try to make a curve shape of this area, something like this. Now it will overlap the glass sector. Okay, this is what we have. Select the vertex and adjust it a little over here, something like this. Okay, looking good. Now see the reference. Here we have some correction. You can see this part. It's like an arc. Okay, so we need to do this correction. We need to add some segment, and we can tweak it and adjust it to make the shape a little arc shape. Okay, so select the vertex, adjust it from front viewport, tweak it like this. I'm just trying to make the shape, I mean this portion, a little rounder. Okay, so it will look good. It will look as our reference image. So select these vertex and adjust them. Now you can see it's little curved. Okay, it's round. Adjust the glass section. Adjust it. Okay. From front viewport, we can also place the vertex in the proper position. Adjust this thing. Okay. Something like this. You can see this the reference image. Select the object, this one, the outer shape. Okay, you can see over here that we have a sharp edge. Okay, or we need to insert some segment. So I'm going to select the edge. Okay, select this, see this one. Okay, select the edge. First tweak it a little, this portion. Okay, place it like this. You can see it's inside, inwards L2. Okay, like this. We need to tweak this thing also. I'm adjusting it from front view. Okay, select the edge and okay, first tweak this thing and make it more curved shape, something like this. Just tweak it and adjust the shape. You can see now it's more a curvy shape. Select the edge, rig, and connect. Now we have a segment over here. Adjust it, place it more closer. Now you can see it's harder. Okay, it's a sharp edge over here. We can select the vertex and tweak it a little bit, something like this. Yep, this portion we are doing. Now we need to insert one over here, I think. Let's adjust it or try to fix it first. Okay, move it. Let it in a curve shape. Try to make a arc shape over here. This one too. Now you can, this is what we have now. We have a sharp edge and a good looking shape. Select the vertex, tweak it a little bit. This one also. Select the vertex and adjust it a little bit. Try to adjust vertices and see the shape, how it's looking now. Okay, we have some issue over here. Okay, select the vertex and move it a little like this. Select these and move them. Adjust this thing. Select edge, ring and connect. So it will become little sharper. You can see we have some sharpness on the top part. So this is what we have till now. We have done this glass section. You can do minor tweakings on it. Something like this. Adjust them a bit. A little bit over here. Yeah, this one. We can move this a little also. Yeah, looking good. Yeah, this is what we have done right now. I'll see you in next chapter and we will move forward. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day.